Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become headless on Roblox. So you are going to go to the avatar section, and then you are going to go to heads here, and there's these ones where it's like a full head. You're going to want to select the half tilted head one or the headless one. The head one kind of like punches through your hair a lot. So I like to use the half tilted head one. It is recolorable and it's 75 Robux. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.